Yeah, YouTube, what's going on? Today we're talking about Solive application. It's actually like Solive plus plus application actually is installed in my device, and this application allowed you to get unlimited coins for your Solive account without paying for this. All you need to do, we must enter amount of coins as we want, and in this video I will show you how it works and how to install this application. Okay, the next step is unlimited everything, but in this video tutorial I will show you how to get only coins, unlimited coins in Solive. The next step is press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated, so it's easy way to finish this process. After finish, our account will be open, and now wait to finish this process. Wait one moment, boom, as you can see is actually installed. Now I have unlimited coins in Solive absolutely for free in 2023. So how to get this application? I download from this website Zeno app. So how to get a Solive plus plus application for your Android or iOS device in 2023 is very easy process. We must open browser, go to this website Zeno app, scroll down or search the Solive plus plus, press button install. Now very important thing. The last step is human verification. Wait to finish this process. After finish this process, it's human verification. Follow all instruction. After complete every step from this easy verification, Solive++ will be installed in your device. As you can see, everything is work, and now this application works on Android and iOS device in 2023, and it's absolutely for free. Thank you for watching. Bye.